Hey Taco Fam, welcome back to yet another amazing YouTube video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and switch on your notification bell button for whenever I post a new video. So I know guys, you're wondering what's happening with that bag. Yes, we're doing another bag, and this video was suggested to me by some girl on my Instagram, and I'll place a picture of what she wanted me to do on my left or right, wherever, but I hope I did it justice. So now we're gonna detach the bag on every side like we did on the previous one, and if you haven't watched my previous video, I would link it down below or somewhere. You're gonna take that cutout of the fabric and fold it in half, pin it together, and then you're gonna have to cut it in half like you'd have two pieces of the back and the front of the bag. So this bag has an inner lining, so you're gonna have 4 cutouts, like the inner cutout and your other bag, and then so now we're gonna have to cut out the 2 sides and the bottom, but we're not cutting out like one by one. We're gonna make one cut, a long cut. It's gonna be like 41 centimeters long, and it has to be 5 centimeters wide, or your width is gonna be 5 centimeters. With this one, the bag had a belt already, so I just put the belt aside and the zip, so you're gonna use it later. Just put it aside. So this bag, as I said before, it has a lining, so you're gonna have to do the process twice. Like you're gonna have to do it twice with the inner material. And for those who are confused why we have the inner with this bag, is for us to make it stronger and stable so that it can stand on its own, because we saw on the previous video, the bag that I made, we had to put something inside so that it So as you can see on the video, we are pinning all the 3 sides of the bag together. This actually makes it easier for me because I'm not a professional designer and whatsoever. So it makes it easier for me to be able to sew everything together without making any mistakes or anything like that.
Before I met you, everything was black and white, but it's so different. Now it seems so bright. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color. Love is a rainbow. Rainbow is a smile of sky. Love is a rainbow. Your love makes me feel so fine. Love, love, you bring the color to my life. Love, you bring the color.
So as you can see, with the bottom and the side material, it's too long, so I had to cut it out so that it looks like a bag, of course. And where I've pinned, that's where you're gonna start sewing your bag together and making it a bag. So guys, I lost the clip where I was actually sewing everything together, but now we are back from sewing everything. And guys, I did it by freehand. I didn't use a machine this time because the last time it broke my needle. So now we're gonna fold the lining of our bag and put the zip inside the lining, and then you can add hooks so that you can add your strap and make it a bag. So now guys, I'm really excited for you to see the final product. So now guys, it is the reveal of the bag. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I always put my Instagram handle, and if you have anything that I can do, then you can DM me there, a picture or something, or you can just say it on the comment down below. Thank you so much guys. Bye, Taco family.